Let's speak now to Ruth Dreifuss in Geneva. She is a former president of Switzerland and is the chair of the Global Commission on Drug Policy. Good to have you with us. Thank you for your time. Is decriminalisation a solution for all countries who are obviously facing very different challenges?
I think it is a solution, and if you think about all other potentially harmful products that are controlled by the state, you are just astonished to see that some of them, I mean the so-called drugs, are just in criminal hands. It is a matter for reasonable, for responsible hands, I mean the states, to control these markets. And this can really disempower criminal organizations who are now fueled, I would say, and their benefits are fueled by the system of prohibition.
But you, of all people, I mean, obviously you worked on reforming Switzerland's drug policy. You, of all people, would know that decriminalising drugs is a very sensitive issue. It's an emotional issue. People are scared. Why are they scared, and how do you change that?
It's a very long history. For 60 years, the substance was considered as an evil, and the people who use this are very bad people, deserving to be punished. But this has nothing to do, I would say, with evidence. Yes, these substances can be harmful. As Kofi Annan said, they must be controlled, but failed policy are more harmful than the substances themselves. When I was in charge with the narcotic laws in Switzerland, I could develop a health approach. And I can tell you criminalization is an obstacle to the access to treatment, to a real good prevention, to the possibility also to reduce the harms of consuming and to mitigate the violence of the drug markets.
You talk in this report about how the nature of organised crime has changed. How has the nature of organised crime changed, and what does that mean for policy?
First of all, it is now a transnational network. Secondly, it is using new electronic means for their business and for the money business. They are also linked with different activities, criminal activities, not specialized in one only, so that focusing only on drugs is just being blind on the connection with arms, with organs, with human being trafficking. And we need a global approach of transnational crime. But I would also say that it is a pyramid with very protected and people who have great benefits at the bottom of at the summit of the pyramid. But at the bottom, there is a whole reserve of people, of poor people, of minorities, of people, migrants, for instance, who have no other possibilities to earn their living. So these peoples, harassing these people, arresting these people, overcrowding detention places with this people is not fighting against the transnational crime, because these people can be replaced from one day to the other. These people are the people that are really the people who are ready to work for the criminal organization, but they are not at the leverage of these.
Meanwhile, we have non-violent minorities, often indigenous groups, incarcerated. We will have to leave it there for time. Ruth Dreifuss there, former president of Switzerland and chair of the Global Commission on Drug Policy. Thank you.
Thank you.